white chicken chili. It is one of my favorite recipes, especially on a weeknight, because it is a simple dump and pour recipe, which we are going to be making in the Instant Pot. Be ready in less than 30 minutes. The secret ingredients, or the special dairy-free ingredients, we will be using coconut cream. You can find coconut cream right next to the coconut milk in your grocery store in the Asian foods aisle. Try to find the unsweetened version. It's just like coconut milk, but it provides a creamier, thicker texture and consistency, so it will add that richness and that creaminess that you might crave in this white chicken chili. So it acts just like the cream cheese. However, it is dairy free, so it'll be lighter and easier for your digestion to digest and absorb. Might think that this might add a super potent coconut flavor. However, we're adding things like chili powder and cumin and cilantro and jalapeno, and all those spices really do mask the lighter flavor of coconut cream. To start by dicing one onion. On the saute setting, and add some oil and add your chicken. Saute the chicken for about 3 minutes, then flip over and saute the other side for 3 minutes. Turn the saute setting off. Cover the Instant Pot with the valve to sealing. It should be ready in 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we will pressure release it, and then we will shred our chicken that is cooking in the Instant Pot.
Thanks for joining today. Enjoy.